Are you girls going to be in the video? You can be in the video if you want. Hi, this is Josie and Josie's Fun Kitchen, getting ready to make some salsa today. And here's how we're going to start off. We're going to have a large can of whole tomatoes, 2 cans of, I use Rotel, of green chili and diced tomatoes. And I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we have, of course, garlic queen over here, 4 cloves of garlic. I'm making this a little extra spicy, so I'm having 3 jalapeno peppers, and I'm just gonna leave the seeds in, just roughly chop it. I use a 1/2 an onion, and then a whole lime is gonna go in. So I'm gonna chop this up, throw it in, oh, and then of course we have to have the cilantro, and I like a lot of cilantro. And we're gonna put it all into the blender, the food processor, and make it nice, and you can make it chunky or you can make it smooth. I kind of like it in between. So we'll be right back in Josie's Fun Kitchen. Okay, so let's, I always like to pour that in there. Get that ready. Pour that in there. Throw it in the garnish. Dump this in there. Chop up. Again, this is because I like it spicy, and people usually request it extra spicy. That's why I put in 3 jalapenos. 3, yeah. Okay, then we got the onion. I like a lot of onion. I press this down in there. And then I'm gonna this is looking good already. Mess. Throw that other piece. I would talk to myself when I'm cooking. Ooh, made a mess. Okay, now I am going to take my, okay, we have a bunch of the cilantro here. Yeah, this is a 12 cup salsa, 12 cup food processor. So we're gonna pulse it. And I'm eyeballing it. A little spillage, but that's okay. There we go. Voila. Now you got really, really good salsa. So what you do is we're gonna take that out. I'm gonna taste it. Of course I have a chip here. Let's see. Let's do a taste test here. Oh, whoo, hot, very spicy. People wanted it spicy. It's spicy. Enjoy. What I suggest is I'm going to cover this up. I'm going to put it in another bowl, or I'm going to put it actually in, I've put it in mason jars. Put it in the refrigerator so it gets married. And what we may do, or what I'm going to suggest is, if you want to not have it as spicy as this, just use 1 jalapeno pepper or 2 jalapeno peppers. But this is super spicy. So anyway, that was it. Thank you very much for coming in or joining me. And please, please, please subscribe to my channel. I've been asking some of you if you've been subscribing and you're going not yet. And share with your friends and have them subscribe, and so on and so on. And also turn on the notifications so that you know when I'm uploading some new videos. Anyway, thanks for coming to Josie's Fun Kitchen and having fun with Josie. Bye.